Hello student, good morning. In previous video we studied about exercise 2.2 up to question number 3. Now we are in question number 4 and in this question the instruction is find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial and we have 7 polynomials are given. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. If you observe this all polynomial, then you find that these all polynomial are linear polynomial. Okay, so we have to find the zeros of the linear polynomial. Now what is the meaning of zeros? Zeros means the value of x, value of variable. In other word, we can say that zeros means solution. We have to solve this question. We have to find the value of x. So first question, p of x is equal to x plus 5. And in this question, we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. So the method is, first of all, take p of x is equal to 0. It is a basic method. Now the value of p of x is x plus 5. So I write here x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now x as a subject, then if we find x as a subject, then we got minus 5 plus 5 come here and it become minus 5. So the value of x is minus 5. So minus 5 is zeros of this polynomial and first sum is over. Okay, this sum is so easy sum, you can calculate this whole sum yourself if you understand the basic method. Now second question, we have to find zeros of this polynomial. So p of x is equal to 0. It is the first step. In all questions we have to write this manner. Now the value of p of x is x minus 5. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now x as a subject, then we have minus 5 goes here. So it becomes plus 5. So the answer is 5. So 5 is zeros of this polynomial, is it? Okay, you can do it. Okay. Now next question, p of x is equal to 0. The value of p of x is 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 2x as a subject, then plus 5 is become minus 5 and x is equal to this. Now here is x as a subject, then this 2 goes in the denominator of minus 5. So minus 5 by 2. So this is the answer. It is the subject, minus 5 by 2 is zeros of this polynomial. Now fourth question, first step is take p of x is equal to 0. Now the value of p of x is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x as a subject, then minus 2 become here plus 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3. It is the answer. Okay, so easy sum. This sum is so easy because it is a linear polynomial. Now question number 5. P of x is equal to 3x. So easy. P of x is equal to 0. It means that 3x is equal to 0. Now x as a subject, then 0 divided by 3. If you divide 0 by 3, then the answer is 0. Okay. So the value of zeros is 0. Now p of x is equal to x plus b. A is not equal to 0 and ab belongs to real number. हमें इसका मतलब क्या होता है ये? It is the necessary condition for this polynomial because you can't take the value of a is equal to 0. We learned this concept in theory of linear polynomial. Do you remember it? And AB belongs to R means A और B की वैल्यू हमें किस में से चूज करनी है? रियल नंबर में से. ओके, सो A and B कोई भी रियल नंबर हो सकता है. Now we have to find its 0. So p of x is equal to 0. It means that ax plus b is equal to 0. Now ax as a subject, then we have plus b becomes minus b, and x is equal to minus b upon n. This is the answer. Any doubt? Okay, now last question. P of x is equal to cx plus d. C is not equal to 0. C and d belongs to R. You can calculate this sum like that. There is no any change. Okay. So the seventh question, p of x is equal to 0. It means that cx plus d is equal to 0. Cx as a subject, then plus d becomes minus d. As x as a subject, then minus d by c. This is the answer. Any doubt in this whole question? This is the method of finding the zeros of linear polynomial. Any doubt? Oh. Now we are in exercise 2.3. In this question, the instruction is find remainder when this polynomial x cube plus 5x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, this whole 5. Okay, we have to find remainder. So if you observe that x plus 1, here is x plus 1 is linear, x minus 1 by 2 is also linear, it is also linear, this is, and this whole are linear polynomial. And according to the remainder theorem, if you remember the remainder theorem, if any polynomial p of x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder is, it is a remainder theorem, it is a remainder theorem. You also study this theorem in your theory. Remainder is p of, it is depends on this dividend. Here is minus a, then here is plus a. Suppose here is plus a, then there is a minus a. This is the remainder theorem we have to use. Also the power of p of x is 3 greater than 1. Okay, so we can use remainder theorem in this exercise. Now first question, it is our polynomial p of x. So I write here p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Clear? Now I have to find the remainder, then what should I write here from this? Here is x plus 1. Then I have to write here minus 1. Okay? By using this remainder theorem, if here is minus, then here is plus. If here is positive, then here we have to write negative. Okay? So the answer is, I have to put the value of x is equal to minus 1. So we have minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus here minus 1 and plus 1. Any doubt? Now minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube we have minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 1. Okay, so I write here plus 1. Plus minus minus and plus 1. Okay, so this one and this one are minus 1 plus 3, we have 2. Okay, p of minus 1 is 2. So 2 is remainder. 2 is remainder. If you divide if you do the division of this polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1, then the remainder is 2. You find the remainder without doing this actual division by using remainder theorem. Understand? So you can find the remainder, you can use the remainder theorem to find the remainder when divided polynomial is linear polynomial. Okay, now let's see next question. Next question, x minus 1 by 2. We have to divide this polynomial by x minus 1 by 2. Okay, first of all, p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now, what is the value of x here? Here is minus 1 by 2, so here is plus 1 by 2. Clear? Here is plus 1, then here is minus 1. Here is minus 1 by 2, then here plus 1 by 2. So I have to put the value of x is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 and plus 1. I put the value of x is 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 cube. 1 cube 1 and 2 cube 8 plus 3 into 1 square 1 and 2 square 1 square 1 and 2 square 4. So 3 ones are 3. I write here only 3. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, now we have to take the LCM of this whole. We have to take the LCM of this whole. Here we have to find the same denominator of this whole. If you do the same denominator, then here is 8. So 1 upon 8 plus here is 4, here is 3. If you do the same denominator 8, then you have to multiply this by 2, also this by 2. Now here is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, if you have to multiply this by 4. Okay, so 4. Here 4 to the 8, 2 4 the 8. Now here is only 1. Here is only 1, so I have to multiply and divide this one like that. Any doubt? Okay, so now denominator is same. Look here, 1 upon 8 plus 3 to the 6 upon 8 plus 4 1s are 4 upon 8 plus 8 1s are 8 upon 8. Okay, denominator become same. So here is 8. So the answer is 1 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 1 19. So we have 19 divided by 8. Any doubt? So this is the remainder. This is the remainder when you divide this polynomial by this. And now third question. There is no any other coefficient constant term is given, so I have to write here x plus 0. So the p of x polynomial is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now I have to put the value of p of x is here is plus 0 to minus 0, there is no change, only 0. So 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 in plus 1. So p of 0 is equal to 1. So 1 is the remainder. Okay, this is a so simple question. Now I erase this remainder theorem here. Now fourth question, x plus 5. I write here fourth question, x plus 5. Now the value of p of x polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Here x plus 1. So what here? What is the value of x? Minus pi. So I have to put the value of x is equal to minus pi. So minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus The value of x is minus pi and plus 1. Okay, minus pi cube, so minus pi cube ही रहेगा, plus minus pi square plus हो जाएगा, so 3 pi square plus minus 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 pi plus 1. In this question we do not need to put the value of pi. हमें pi की value put करनी नहीं है. Okay, so p of minus pi, if you divide this polynomial by x plus 1, then this is the remainder. Now fifth question. Fifth question is important. Here the polynomial is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now what is the value of x? Are you able to decide the value of x? Because here is some linear polynomial 5 plus 2x. Okay, if in this question x as a subject, then you got minus 1. Here minus 1 by 2, then you got plus 1 by 2. There is no value of x constant term, so you put here 0. Here x plus pi. In fourth question x plus pi, so you put minus pi. But in this question, what value do you have to put? Okay, give your attention. 5 plus 2x. We have to find x from this. So we have 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 5. Then x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, so we have to put the value of x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2. Any doubt? Okay. Now the value of x is minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 square plus x minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Now we have to give a simplification. Minus 5 by 2, this term cube, so the answer is negative. 5 cube is 125 and divided by 8. Now plus 3 into here minus square, so it becomes plus 5 square 25, and here is 4, 2 square 4, plus minus minus, so 5 by 2 and plus 1. Okay. Okay, now here is denominator 8, 4, 2 and here is no denominator. Okay, so we have to find same denominator. So minus 125 by 8 plus 25 3 the 75 divided by 4. Here is 8, so I have to multiply with 2 into 2. Now here is minus 5 by 2, so I have to multiply with 4. So I have to divide and multiply with 4. And here is only 1, so I have to multiply with 8 and divide with 8. Now look, denominator is same. Okay, minus 125 by 8 plus 75 to the 150 by 8 minus 5 for the 20 by 8 and plus 8 by 8. Okay, so the denominator is same. So minus 125 plus 150 minus 20 and plus 8. Now minus 125 and plus 150. So we have 25. 25 minus 20 we have 5. 5 plus 8 we have 13 and divided by 8. It is the remainders. Okay. Try to solve this question yourself 2 times, so then you can get idea. This question and this question are important, so you have to calculate yourself.